Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on allowing Powershell scripts to run without signing on Windows 11. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the Windows 11 desktop, go to the search bar at the bottom, search for Settings and then open them. In Settings, select System from the left sidebar. In System Settings, select For Developers. Make sure Developer Mode is turned on. One of the developer options is called Powershell. Click the drop-down arrow beside it to expand it. You can now enable the option to change execution policy to allow local PowerShell scripts to run without signing. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Windows 11 tips and tricks.